I'm going to do a series of 4 lectures based on the compound NCl3. In this first video, I will go over how to name that compound, and then in future videos, I will go over the way that I would draw the Lewis structure for this molecule, how to identify its polarity, and the intermolecular forces felt between molecules of NCl3. For naming this compound, the first question really for anything to do with compounds is to know if they are ionic or covalent. The ionic compounds have a metal or NH4, which is ammonium. The periodic table is set up to show you that most of the elements are metals, but hydrogen is a nonmetal, and the elements that are to the right of the dark black line, the staircase, and germanium and antimony that are under the black line are nonmetals and metalloids. In our compound with nitrogen and chlorine, those are both nonmetals. So this is not an ionic compound, it is a covalent compound. The covalent compound names use prefixes like di, tri, etc. Binary covalent compounds, where there's only 2 elements, will consist of a prefix if necessary, and then the name of the element, there will be the first element, there will be a space, then a prefix, again, if it's necessary, and the name of the second element with the name changing to have IDE as its ending. The prefixes will be necessary if there's more than one atom of the element in the compound. The only times we use mono is typically with monoxide, when there's 1 oxygen. In our case, we're working with NCl3, so this will be named nitrogen, which is the full name of the first element. And since there are 3 chlorine atoms, we will use the prefix tri, and the second element's name chlorine will get changed to be chloride.